What is up, y'all? I got the kayak all loaded up onto my trailer, and this is going to be the first day going out on it. I'm super excited. Hope we can get some trout, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's rig up the poles and get in the water. First launch with it. Pretty good for a first launch, I would say. That wasn't too shabby. Let's hit a little more shallow up here and see what we can do. This back corner looks pretty good, but maybe that's just the bass fisherman in me. This is usually a pretty clear reservoir, and it seems like they've gotten a lot of rain recently. So, may need to drag the bottom with some eggs and stuff. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Oh, that was a good one too. Dang it. That was a good fish. Dang, that was a trophy. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a log at first. That was a good fish. Oh my gosh. Oh. I think those are some ticks. Oh, I got a good one. Oh my gosh. I got a good one on. First fish on the new yak. Oh my gosh. I got a good one. Woo! Woo! Let's go, y'all. I got a good one. Oh man. On the spinner. Let's get him in the net. Boom! There we go. First fish on the new yak. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh, y'all. The first fish in the new yak. Oh my gosh, what an awesome fish for a first one. It's probably a nice 14-incher there. Let's go. All right, let's get this guy back. Yeah, buddy, that didn't take long at all. I've been here for maybe 10 minutes, maybe 20. Let's go. Good first fish in the yak, y'all. I don't think I've caught a fish out of a kayak since like sophomore year of high school. Man, that was so much fun. Oh my word, to do that so quick too. That was crazy. Honestly guys, the egg bite would probably kill it right now, but oh, catching them on a spinner is just so much more fun. We're gonna keep beating the bank here, I think. Got some shallow stumps and stuff here that we'll have to watch out for. Got one. Oh, I got a good one. Another good one on the spinner. Oh my gosh, this is actually good. Nice. Oh, it's a bass. No way. No way. I just caught a bass. What? I just caught a largemouth bass. No way. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Guys, I just caught a largemouth bass in early March when it's like 45 degrees on one of my homemade spinners. Dude, probably right at a pound. So Let's go. That's a super unexpected catch. Let's let this guy go. Nice. Well, I definitely wouldn't have caught that on eggs. That's for sure. I didn't even know largemouth were in here. Dang, I wish I would have brought bass gear. I would totally be chasing after them if I knew they were in here. Oh, there's a bite. That's a bite. Got him. Nice. No, I lost him. No, that was my bite on the eggs. Oh, dang it. Had him on for a second. I think my hook point was not exposed enough. Dang it. That was a good bite too. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish for sure. That was a fish. Yeah. I got that one. Okay, here we go. Ooh, another pretty nice stalker there. There we go. All right. Oh. Woo. There we go. Oh, it's a small guy. Oh, yep, that's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. All right. Oh, he just dropped it. Can see all that slack in my line. He's picking it up again. He just dropped it again. Come on, fish. Yeah, he's got it again. Oh, man. Oh, dang it. Oh, I ripped it out of his mouth. Gosh, dang it. That was a good hit. Oh, he's got it again. Got him that time. Nice. Oh, that's a bigger fish. Not giant, but a little bit bigger. Oh, man. A little bit fatter. Ah, there we go. Whew. Nice. All right, let's let this guy go. Nice. I think we'll try and get one more on the eggs, and then I'll try and go around on the far side and try and, I don't know, maybe get another bass. I kind of want to hit that bass bite if they actually are biting. That seems a lot more entertaining to me than some stalker trout. So we'll try and get one more on the eggs, and then we'll hit up the spinner the rest of the day and see what we can do with that. Of course, literally right as my GoPro died, I got a bite. Let's see if we can get him. Yeah, got him. Nice. I guess that timing wasn't too bad. Oh, I think he's caught up in something. No! He got caught up in some reeds or something. Okay, I got him out. There we go. There we go. Oh, little guy. It's just a little guy. There he goes. Oh gosh. I got really lucky just now that I didn't get a lure to the face and that I got my lure back. Oh gosh, I got something giant. Oh my gosh. Is this a bass? Oh my gosh, it's a giant bass. It's a giant. It's a giant. No way. No way. Oh my gosh, it's a big bass. Oh, it's barely hooked. Oh my gosh! What a fish! Oh, look at that bass! Oh my gosh! No way! Oh my gosh, what a fish. That is a giant. That's probably a 3-pounder. All right, guys. Just want to get a good video of this fish. That is probably all of 3 pounds. I got him hooked in the gill a little bit with that spinner. But man, what an awesome fish. All right, he's ready to go. See you later, buddy. Well, as you guys could see, it was a fantastic day of fishing. I mean, I came out here for trout and caught a very nice largemouth in March when, quite frankly, they shouldn't be biting. So I got a new thing that I want to try out with y'all, so let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this. But I was thinking I'd do a gear overview every video of what I've been catching fish on and what was working for me in this video or future videos. So the first thing that I was throwing today that was basically the big winner today was really just the inline spinner. And I always use a black body with a gold blade. I really think that that catches literally everything from panfish all the way up to giant trout, salmon, everything. So this is my homemade lure here, and it's always worked super well for me, and I use it for trout 99% of the time. And the other thing that was catching fish today was the good old power bait. So what I always like to do is I like to put a swivel and then have an egg slider, so those sensitive fish, basically when they pick up that egg down here, they don't feel the weight because the line freely goes through the weight. So I have that set up at about a foot, maybe 1.5 foot leader. And those were the 2 rigs that were really just killing it today. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more kayak videos this summer.